phone.
Okay, good. How do we use it? Okay.
I don't know any. Wait, how do I? There's gotta be another way to click it.
Go ahead.
Where's the handle?
You're holding it in your hand.
Isn't this a phone?
That is a phone. You are correct. This is a phone. You are holding it in your hand. You're holding the handle.
Somehow call the number.
All right, so
put the handle down.
What is it?
The Turner phone.
All right.
Bro, oh no. Is this a trick?
No, this is an actual phone.
Oh, press that.
What's that?
The middle button?
I don't know. Close.
What is this?
I don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to push this circle John on the 5, and it's like not doing it. Okay, it doesn't turn that way. What's that? It's broken.
It works.
Hello? I think I give up.
Keep trying.
You like take like one of these and then you just like leave it on there, right? Yeah. This seems like suspicious. Like what's this thing in the middle?
All right, what do you think?
Area code 215. Why is it like I can press it?
Yeah.
What do you like do
No, we
with
want
it?
to see what
This is like rigged.
it'll work.
Am I just dumb?
But it doesn't go backwards, though. Hold on.
So it's 555-1212. You're doing one thing wrong.
I have no idea. Is this like?
Now, what numbers are we doing? What are we doing here?
I got no idea. You have to like. Oh, you gotta put the area code in, right?
You could, whatever you think, dude. I'm not helping.
Circles here,
Okay.
because it's 555, and then go
Alright.
back, and then it's 5 again. Wait. How do I like restart?
Okay, we started from.
I don't know how to do that.
One, two,
555. So 5 right there. Preferred 5 right here.
Oh, is it one of those trick questions?
No.
Why?
Take a guess.
I don't even have to do 5512.
What happens now?
Shit, right?
How do you know? What, if it worked or not? Anything?
No.
All right. Try it.
5. I've seen these used before.
Hold it 5 to go this way. I don't know.
What you got to figure out?
So
1, 2, 1, 2.
maybe it's just like that. And then two. Another 5.
I'm not that old. Kind of lost here. 5, 1, 2, 1.